Hey, I'm Jeff, and you're watching Fun Size Adventures, and today we're going ice skating! So today we're at the Bucksport Ice Rink in Bucksport, Maine, but wherever you live, I'm sure you have an ice rink nearby, granted that you live in a cold climate. The ice in the center here is nice and smooth today from the thaw we had last week, so we're gonna enjoy it. Alright, one thing I've been trying to teach the boys, that if you're new to skating, that helps you to not fall as much, and also if you do fall, it hurts less, is to just try to stay low, stay crouched, like that. Because that way, whoa, even if you do fall, you're closer to the ground, but it also helps you maintain a lower center of gravity. Calvin keeps hurting himself. We might be going soon.
Daddy.
You okay, Cal?
I want you to get me up.
You ready? No. Oh, the wind is blowing you. Oh, just stay low, stay low, stay low. Stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low. And you always want to make sure you keep your weight over your toes and leaning forward a little bit, because it's better to, if you're going to fall, dive forward and just slide out on the ice than slip out and land on your butt really hard. So that'll give you a headache. So keep your weight right over those toes. Use they can do the brakes. Oh, good try. Woohoo! Oh, 1 footer. What are you doing up there?
Just give him a rest.
Just don't fall off the other side, okay?
I won't. For this now trick.
Ready. Whoa. Whoa. Ethan is never afraid to fall. And one last tip I'd give you if you're learning how to skate is to don't be afraid to wear your snow clothes, because they're going to give you that extra level of padding, and it's going to keep you from slamming as hard when you do fall. So make sure that you wear pads and wear a helmet too. Need help? Need help? So that was our day ice skating. Special thanks to the Bucksport Ice Rink and all the people who worked hard to keep it open. We really appreciate it and being able to enjoy ice skating. Except for Calvin, who enjoys crawling apparently. But what are you gonna do? And I also hope you learned something. Maybe if you were new to ice skating, you picked up a couple tips that'll help you. Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. I know your time is precious and it means a lot that you took a few moments out of your busy day to go on an adventure with us. If you enjoyed what you saw, consider clicking here to subscribe or over on one of these videos over here to see some more of our adventures. But until next time, get outside and have some fun-sized adventures of your own.